Hi there, this is Jamie with Bar. Thanks so much for coming to visit us recently at the Bar Show. In this video, we're just going to go over a few of the features which are shared by all of the Bar products so that you can understand basically the core, what's core to Bar is the absolute fastest, most accurate way to count your bar's inventory in every product we sell. So right up from Bar Speed Count for just $50 a month, all of our products include these features. So the first one is a wireless barcode scanner. So rather than trying to look up an item by name, Grey Goose obviously has lots of sizes and flavors, we just scan the manufacturer's barcode. It's instantly gonna look up that item accurately every time, reliably, from our database of over 30,000 products. The second element is a Bluetooth scale. So a lot of the self-service apps or other systems will have you estimate the level of liquid on a picture of a bottle, or actually just tenth them. And it seems a shame to apply all this technology in the software, but not improve the accuracy and speed. So with all of Bar's inventory products, you can weigh open bottles at a rate of around one item per 2 seconds, meaning you can hammer through your inventory and count up to 500 items an hour. The third feature is the ability to export and integrate with other systems. So natively, all of Bar counts can be exported into Excel, Restaurant365, Reciprocity, or Compete, and we're constantly adding new accounting systems. So if you're looking to count and then integrate and push the data into other systems, Bar is going to be friendly for that. And then finally, Bar's unique mapping system allows you to split up your complex venue or down to a smaller one into macro and micro zones, meaning that you can split out the counting amongst your managers, but then easily subdivide it, look at product in particular zones, maybe for banquets, look at the whole thing, or break it up into individual pieces, or spot check on individual bartenders. And the flexibility of our mapping systems are what allows us to really cater for a wide variety of bars, because we know that all bars are different, and it's fully customizable to your bar. So those are the four features that are common to all of Bar's products: is barcode lookup, Bluetooth scales to weigh your products, the ability to export and integrate with other systems, and then finally our mapping zoning system that allows you to split up and cut and dice the areas of your establishment in any way, and then analyze them separately and all together in an efficient method. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.